Good morning friends. I am Shalik Kathane, working as a subject assistant at DIET Gondia. Today's topic is properties of substances. Look at this chart. Properties of matter. Can the property be determined without changing the identity of substances? If no, then there is a chemical properties. And chemical properties are reactivity, flammability, toxicity, ability to oxidize, heat of combustion. Can the property be determined without changing the identity of substances? If yes, then there is a physical properties. Again, physical properties. Does the property depend on the amount of substances? If yes, then there is a extensive properties that are mass, volume, weight. Does the property depend on the amount of the substances? If no, then there is a intensive properties. Density, color, luster, door, malleability, conductivity, hardness, ductility, boiling point and melting point. Properties of substances. The first property is brittleness. Those substances break into small pieces or particles. Such substances are said to be brittle. This property of substances is called brittleness. The examples are chalk, bricks, elm, glass, etc. Look at this picture. This is a chalk, break into small pieces or particle. Therefore, this property of substances is called brittleness. Next property is hardness. The hardness of a substance is determined by how much resistance it offers to the substances being pushed through it. Look at this picture. There is a resistance it offers to the substances. Another property is elasticity. Some substances change their shape when a force is applied on them, but return to their original shape and size when the force is removed. This property is called elasticity. Look at this picture. In first step, the force is applied, and in second step, remove the force. After removing the force, the substance take their original shape and size. Such property is called as elasticity. Another property, fluidity. Liquid flow downward on a sloping surface. This property is called fluidity. The fluidity of any liquid is determined by how easily it flows. Look at this picture. Here three types of substances are given. Fluidity of this one is more than this one, and fluidity of this substance is more than this one. Densities. What is density? If two blocks of the same size, one wooden and the other of iron, are weighed in a balance, how would they compare? The mass of different substances having the same volume can be different. These differences is because of the differences in their densities. Between substances of the same volume, the ones with greater density are heavier than those of lesser density. Solubility. The property of substances of getting dissolved is called its solubility. These are two glasses. In first glass there is a kerosene and here is water. Salt does not dissolve in the kerosene and salt dissolve in the water. Means the property of substances of getting dissolved is called its solubility. Means the solubility of water is greater than the solubility of kerosene. Transparency. When we can look through a substance and see things on the other side, then that substance is said to be transparent. This property of substances is called transparency. Example, glass, some toys of plastic, clean water and air are transparent substances. Look at this picture. Here is a girl. see the moon from inside the house. Means there is a air. Air is the transparent substance. Thank you friends for watching this video.